Loose or damaged sink mounting bolts are one of the sneakiest causes of leaks under your sink that most folks totally overlook. So, first, grab a wrench or pliers and check those bolts holding your sink in place. If they're loose, just tighten them up gently. Not too much or you'll strip the threads, you know? If they're rusty or damaged, swap them out for new ones from a hardware store. It's cheap and easy. Make sure you turn off the water supply before messing around to avoid any surprise drips. After tightening or replacing bolts, test the sink by running water and watching for leaks underneath. If you spot any water, double check if the bolts are snug but not over-tightened. Also, keep an eye on the rubber gasket or seal around the sink. It should be in good shape to stop water from sneaking through. These little fixes can save you from bigger water damage headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes with sink mounting bolts causing leaks is ignoring regular maintenance. People often wait until a flood happens before checking. Fix this by scheduling a quick bolt check every few months. Another common problem is over-tightening bolts, which can crack the sink or strip threads, making leaks worse. Always aim for snug, not insane torque. Lastly, using the wrong size or type of bolts can mess up your seal, so make sure to get the right ones recommended for your sink model. Your local hardware store can help with that. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors who really know what they're doing with stuff like sink repairs. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to fixing home problems fast and right.